Welcome to today's cryptocurrency news. Cryptocurrency prices today.
The price of Bitcoin, BTC, to US dollar, USDT, has increased by -0.33% compared to the previous day, while the price of Ethereum, ETH, to USDT has increased by -0.74% compared to the same day last year, and the price of Binance Smart Chain, BNB, to USDT has increased by -0.56% compared to the same day last year.
Latest news.
Radiant Capital proposes dropping DAI as supported asset on Arbitrum chain. Radiant Capital has initiated a community proposal vote to discontinue DAI as a supported asset in the Radiant currency market on the Arbitrum chain. The proposal aims to address the stagnation and limited utility of the DAI market on Arbitrum. The vote is scheduled for May 15th th. BlackRock's IBIT Bitcoin ETF assets under management surpassed $3 billion. BlackRock's physical Bitcoin ETF, IBIT, has seen its AUM surpass $3 billion, highlighting growing interest among institutional investors. EigenDA integrated into Arbitrum Orbit to expand Ethereum staking protocol. Foresight News reports that the Ethereum staking protocol EigenLayer has integrated its data availability solution, EigenDA, into Arbitrum Orbit. This integration allows rollup teams to expand the Orbit chain beyond Ethereum's block size limitations without sacrificing decentralization. EigenLayer's EigenDA solution aims to address data availability issues faced by Ethereum, enabling more efficient and scalable blockchain operations. The integration with Arbitrum Orbit is a significant step towards achieving this goal. CoinList opens applications for Winter 2024 CoinList Seed Program. CoinList has opened applications for its Winter 2024 CoinList Seed Program, with a deadline of February 29, 2024. The program will collaborate with early-stage crypto venture fund Lattice, receive support from crypto institutions including Solana, Optimism, zk-Sync, Privy, and Alchemy. The initiative aims to accelerate the recognition and user acquisition of early-stage cryptocurrency projects. Puffer Finance's LSD protocol surpasses $300 million in TVL. Puffer Finance's LSD protocol has reached a total value lot, TVL, of over $300 million, currently standing at $320 million, according to Foresight News. Genesis seeks court approval to sell $1.4 billion in Grayscale Bitcoin Trust stocks. Cryptocurrency lending institution Genesis has filed a motion with the U.S. Bankruptcy Court for the Southern District of New York to sell trust assets. The motion includes nearly $1.4 billion in Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, GBTC, stocks, approximately $165 million in Grayscale Ethereum Trust, ETHE, stocks, and around $38 million in Grayscale Ethereum Classic Trust, ETCG, stocks. Genesis also requests a shortened deadline to hear the sale motion at the next bankruptcy court hearing on February 8. U.S. judge orders artists and NFT marketplace founders to pay $9 million to Yuga Labs. Foresight News reports that following a final judgment in a copyright infringement lawsuit, Ryder Ripps and Mount Larva Labs founder Jeremy Cohen are required to pay nearly $9 million in profits, fines, attorney fees, and other expenses to Yuga Labs. Additionally, Ripps and Cohen must relinquish their NFTs within the next 2 weeks and transfer any infringing intellectual property, including domain names and smart contracts, to Yuga Labs. SEC Commissioner Hester Peirce disagrees with denial of petition to amend DAG rule. Hester Peirce, Commissioner for the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, disagrees with the agency's denial of an amendment to prevent defendants from denying any allegations in settlement enforcement actions. The SEC's policy of requiring defendants to agree not to take any action or make public statements denying any allegations in the complaints is a part of the DAG rule adopted in 1972. The New Civil Liberties Alliance, NCLA, requested the agency to amend the rule to allow a defendant to consent to a judgment in which they admit, deny, or neither admitted nor denied the allegations in the complaint. However, the SEC denied the petition, saying the NCA's arguments have no merit and that the gag rule is a proper exercise of the Commission's authority to decide how it will pursue its enforcement mission and settle cases. Peirce believes that denying defendants the right to criticize a settlement after it is signed publicly undermines regulatory integrity and raises First Amendment concerns. Tether records $2.85 billion net profit in Q4 2023, eliminates secured loan risks. Tether, a stablecoin issuer, reported a record-breaking $2.85 billion profit in the fourth quarter of 2023. The company's profit was primarily driven by net operating gains from interests in the U.S. Treasury and the appreciation of gold and Bitcoin reserves. Tether's excess reserves increased to $5.4 billion, with an additional $640 million allocated to strategic investments. The CEO of Tether, Paulo Ardoino, stated that the company's commitment to transparency, stability, and responsible financial management was demonstrated in the Q4 attestation. Tether increased its Bitcoin holdings in the fourth quarter to a total of around 66,465 Bitcoins, currently valued at approximately $2.8 billion. OPBNB reports outstanding on-chain daily active users surpassing 950,000 with remarkably low gas fees. Arbitrum, a blockchain service known for its affordability, has reported over 950,000 daily active users. These users collectively incurred only 5 BNB in gas fees, equivalent to about $1,500. Co-founder, he announced this milestone via Twitter, emphasizing the accessibility and affordability of OPBNB's services. Multichain startups secure funding for cross-chain solutions. Several startups in the space of facilitating cryptocurrency movement between blockchains have announced funding rounds. Delegate Labs secured $9 million in seed funding, while Squid announced a $4 million strategic funding round led by Multichain with participation from crypto-focused venture firms. The company is developing a cross-chain name service protocol called Clusters, which allows users to choose a name that can be used across different wallets and blockchains. Squid also announced support for swaps for over 60 blockchains on its app, and recently introduced cross-chain NFT minting and collecting. Portal, a Bitcoin-focused DeFi project, raised $34 million to develop a decentralized exchange using atomic swaps, but the DX has yet to launch, causing some concern among retail investors. Cube Exchange raised $12 million in a series of rounds for its yet-to-be-launched trading platform, designed to protect users from founder risk. Uncorrelated Ventures has raised $315 million for a new fund with 20% only allocated to crypto investments. Other notable fundraisers include PayPal Ventures' $6.5 million investment in Mesh, Pixelman's $8 million strategic round, and Forgotten Playland's $7 million round with participation from the Spartan Group and others. Victoria VR to launch first blockchain Metaverse app on Apple's Vision Pro headset. Victoria VR, a crypto meets virtual reality developer, is working on releasing the first Metaverse app on Apple's Vision Pro headset. The app features ultra-realistic graphics and immersive gameplay. The app is expected to be available in the second quarter of this year. The app is driven by its VR token, which is based on Ethereum and follows the blockchain's ERC-20 standard. The token is designed to reward active users and stackers, with half the revenue generated from in-game asset sales redistributed to them. The VR token has experienced a nearly 60% liquidity surge in the last 24 hours, reaching a market cap of $1.5 million, according to CoinMarketCap data. Flow Traders and Wintermute receive millions of ZETA tokens. Flow Traders, a market maker for ZETA, received 2.62 million ZETA tokens on January 31st, equivalent to approximately $4.41 million. The firm has already deposited 2.29 million tokens into CX. Wintermute, another market maker for ZETA, also received 7 million tokens, worth around $11.62 million, on the same day. Wintermute has since transferred 1.8 million tokens to multiple exchanges.
Thank you for watching today.
Bless the audience to make a lot of money in the currency circle. It is hoped that the audience can grasp investment opportunities, invest rationally, and earn reasonable returns. At the same time, the audience is also reminded that investment is risky and needs to be treated with caution, and they should not blindly follow suit or overtrade.